Hey guys, in this video I will teach you how to create subdomain and install WordPress. So let's watch full video. And first you need to log in hosting like Bluehost or Hostinger. So I am going to show you Bluehost hosting. So first we need to add already domain, so you can check, like here is my domains and you can check, and you can check here is my all domains, so you can check. See, now now I will create subdomain, so you can here click the section subdomains, and these are subdomains already created. So I will install in WordPress subdomain like already created. Let me show you how to create. Select a domain and choose any names like dry cleaning or etc as you want. Create. So here is already created. I will install WordPress in this domain like dry cleaning digitalwebzones.in. so you can check already installed SSL certificate. Then I will install WordPress directory in this host subdomain. So you can check, here is my already created website. These are already hosted my websites created by WordPress. So now I'm going to install WordPress. So click add site. Now loading, it takes some times. Now enter website name like as you want. I'm going to dry cleaning, like so for my clients dry cleaning website. And site taglines and advanced, click advanced. Enter WordPress login email as you want to put, like I am going to this email, and here is username and password. You can create password. Now click next. Here is asking domain, so here is it all domain will be so like subdomain and primary domain. So you can select as you want to install WordPress in subdomains. So I am select and leave it optional directory name. So here is a primary key plugins, so no need to, I will uncheck. And here is installed WordPress, so skip this step. Now you can check URLs and password, username, and you can and login. So you can check WordPress here is installed or not. You can check here is installed successfully. If you like this video, if you you can, now you can check, enter pass username and or email as you created. Now enter password. So in click login. So you can check here is WordPress installed in subdomains. It's very simple process, no complicated. You can follow my video instructions, like here is already installed. I will create full WordPress web video next. You can check here is plugins and already installed plugins, so you can delete unnecessary plugins. Now you can install, change themes, plugins, and website settings. If you want to know full WordPress tutorials, if you want, then I will create video complete WordPress tutorials. You can check. I am installing a Hello Elementor theme. Now you can check URL enter. Now interface change. Okay, so you can create page and post and install template. If you don't know how to create page, post, website, so I will create full video tutorials. Let's comment if you want, as you want, like e-commerce website or blog website or business website. I will create complete video. Thank you.